Hi guys, welcome to week 3. This is the beginning of the third week that we've been out of school, which is kind of crazy. But I just wanted to update you on some things and make sure that you're up to date on your things and just kind of touch base. First of all, it was a great meeting on Zoom last week. It was great to see you all. I do miss you very much. So seeing your faces was great, and we would like to continue to do Zoom meetings. We actually talked as a team today, all of your 7th grade teachers, and we talked about having some office hour meetings on Zoom, which means that I would just be available for a couple of hours, Mr. Stu and myself, and anytime you can come in during those couple of hours, you can ask questions. We can have group chats and things like that during that time. So I think that's going to happen in the next couple days, so I'll keep you posted on that. I'll send out a reminder for that. I also we also will have whole group meetings at least one more time, because we'd like to break you guys out into groups and see how that works. So on Friday, we're going to have another Zoom meeting. Mrs. Liaros will send out information about that. So I was glad to see that some people did that Zoom survey. If you haven't, please do that. It's on Google Classroom. I'm interested in your feedback. I know that there was one person that had sound issues, so we'll work on that. But as far as everybody else is concerned, everybody else seems to like it. So I'm glad you like it just as much as we do. So as far as science work is concerned, there are 2 options for you. And for those of you who for those of you who did the home learning survey, you'll know that you had a choice for either workbook work or research work. So at this point, if you chose workbook work, you should be completely done with the first page that I sent you home with 2 Fridays ago, which is right here on my screen. So all of this stuff, day 1 through day 10, should be done at this point, as far as workbook work is concerned. So in this first sheet, it also has 3 different Google Classroom assignments. The first one is renewable, non-renewable energy, which I have, the majority of you have done that, so that's great. Water resources, there's quite a few missing this assignment, and then pollution, quite a few are missing this assignment. I am seeing a lot of people doing work, checking in every day, which is great. And some people are not going to do work every day, and I get that. But if you get too far behind, you're gonna have a hard time catching up. So just make sure you are keeping yourself kind of on track. This is a lot of workbook assignments, so you should be done. And if you look at it, you have from page 290 all the way to 367 should be done. And there's some pages that you don't have to do, but you know, that's a lot of pages. So if you're behind already, make sure you keep yourself on in check and on task. The other option was to do a research assignment. And if you did choose to do a research assignment, you still have to do the Google Classroom assignments that are posted. So renewable, non-renewable energy, water resources, and pollution should also be done for you as well. On top of that, for the research assignments, your first assignment was posted on Friday, and it's due today. It was a very short assignment. So what we're going to do is have discussions and post a question to answer every week, and then it'll kind of pull together as one big assignment at the end. So just make sure you're keeping on task with that as well. If you would like to do a research assignment still and don't want to do workbook work, just let me know, because I can put you in that group too. We just started, so if you are changing your mind and you don't want to do a research assignment anymore, again, just let me know. I'm going to work with you about it, okay? So it's all about lines of communication right now, so just keep in touch with me, and we can do what we need to do. So this sheet should be completely done at this point for everybody. We're on day 11 now, and this All the Water on Earth assignment was posted by Mr. Stu like a week and a half ago now, or maybe a week ago. And this is already done by like 25 people. So those people who finish this don't have anything to do today. So you're all set. Um, and then the rest of you, you'll have to do that. There are a couple more Google Classroom assignments that are coming up this week. My pollutants will be up there too. And day 11 through 15 is a bunch more workbook work. So again, if you're doing the workbook work, make sure you are keeping on task. If you're doing the research assignment, there will be another assignment posted this week. We are actually also hoping to have a Zoom meeting with just the research kids this week so that we can all be on the same point there, and I can get some feedback from you guys as to how you want to conduct your research. So look forward to that. I will send all that information out. And if you have any questions, just shoot me a message on Remind or in Google Classroom. And I hope everybody's doing well. I hope you were able to enjoy the weather while we had it. And yeah, I'll talk to you soon. Have a good day.